Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is success. It's individual commitment to a group effort. That is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. Teamwork makes the dream work. A successful team is a group of many hands and one mind. No one can whistle a symphony. It takes a whole orchestra to play it. Collaboration allows teachers to capture each other's fund of collective intelligence. Teamwork is the secret that makes common people achieve uncommon results. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. When sigh is replaced by or even illnesses becomes wellness.